Hey guys, inserting at the head. I mean, if I were to ask you just to draw it out or dry run the code, how would you do it? Firstly, of course, you'd make a node like that. Okay, just a random node. Call it whatever you want. Call it T, call it temp, call it T1, T2. Okay, so this is step 1, creating the node. Step number 2 is going to be linking it here with the head. Okay, that's going to be step number 2. Step number 3 is that you're going to bring the head one time back. So basically, you're going to say head. This is no longer the head. You're going to rename this to be the head. That's step number 3. So it's a 3-step process. Okay, because I mean, this is the first node. So 3-step process. So let's code this out now. Okay, insertAtHead. And by the way, in the previous video, I forgot to put the D inside of there. Let me just run it to see if I get any errors. No errors. Perfect. Okay, so now the issue is, or the thing is, that when we inserting at head, step 1 was you create a node. Okay, call it whatever you want. I'm going to call it T. I'm going to go new node. I'm going to put D inside of it. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say T dot next, and I'm going to assign it to head. Okay, so our head node is going to be equal to T dot next. Now, this has established the link between the head node and the newly created node. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say head is equal to T. Perfect. Now, this is head. That's just the 3-step process, simple as that. Now, the next thing is that, there's some edge cases. You have to consider the edge cases. One edge case would be that there's no head that exists. Basically, the linked list is empty and you are calling the insertAtHead function. If that's the case, then it's going to throw us an error because it's going to say head doesn't exist. So you are assigning something, it's going to give us a segmentation fault error, I think. So you have to write a if statement to handle that edge case. So you're going to say if head is equal to null, then you want to do something like you want to say head is equal to new node, like that, and after that you want to return. Basically return it so that it doesn't follow this code. This code is going to be executed if there is a single element or if there is something inside of the linked list. Basically, if the linked list isn't empty, and this one is going to be executed if the linked list is empty. Okay, basically it's going to create one node. So that's simple as that. That's just insertion at head.